Hello and welcome to 15 Minute Game. My name is Tony and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. This is Dwarf Fortress. Now I've been getting into this game the past week. I've been watching tutorials, I've been watching videos, and it's a game where it sounds weird, but I played a lot of games that said they're very like Dwarf Fortress. And I just thought it was some mystical game back in 1980s that only a set few people had played. It was on the Amiga or something, and that was it. Because I'd seen what it looked like. It looks like the background on here, which we're going to talk about in a minute. And I was just presumed it was a really, really old game. However, last year, I noticed it's coming to Steam. And I was like, I'm going to wishlist that instantly. And I just thought maybe they're just bringing it back, they're reimagining it. You know, this seems to be the thing lately where they're doing lots of, remasters and stuff like that. However, it's not. It is an oldish game. It's been around for a while, but there's things you can do to it and make it look different, make it look a bit more modern. And it is coming to Steam. At the moment, it's free. It's free to download. You can download this game and play it now. However, when it comes to Steam, this is the final update on here that'll be free. Once it goes on Steam, you'll have to pay. It'll be a premium product. It's made by a couple of guys. They've been working on it for almost like forever. And ever. And it's not an easy game to understand. I think once you get there, it's fine. And I do plan on doing a let's play of it and kind of showing it off over the next few kind of weeks once I'm a little bit more used to it. But I just wanted to show you how to download it. Something called SoundSense, which improves it hugely, and how to download one of the most popular tile sets. And the tile set changes the graphics of the whole game. And also the guy who made this tile set includes a launcher in it. And that lets SoundSense work. And this guy's working on the Steam tile set for when it gets released. So this guy's good. So you want to go on to bear12games.com/dwarfs. They do have other games out there, but this is their main one. They've got two others, both text-type adventures, the other two. This one does have a few graphics. And all you do, click on that, and there you go. You downloaded it. You can play it. You only have to unzip files. There's no installation to do. Just download and unzip wherever you want to, and you can play. So, what is Dwarf Fortress? Well, I mean, this is the wording on here. There's a lot of words on here. It is the most in-depth base building strategy RPG thing I have ever come across. When you click Create World, it sets off a chain of events and histories and stuff like that behind the scenes. And you can stop time at any time and jump in and start building a fortress at that point. You can also play as an adventurer as well. And also there's there's another mode. I can't think what the other mode is. But yeah, there's basically Dwarf Fortress and Adventure. So you control a dwarf outpost and you have to build it up. And when you're talking about things like RimWorld, Prison, imagine that, but with the complexity of something else. You'll get traders coming, you'll be at war with people, there's animals out there. You've got to look after your dwarfs. You've got to feed them stuff. You've got to build a fort. You've got to defend it. You can make armies. You can do... It's unreal how much is in this game. When you're playing, people will do things on their own. The dwarfs will go off and make their own adventures. And when traders come, you'll get little snippets of what's happening in the world around you. You've got architect, things like artifacts to get, and people will visit and sing songs to your dwarfs, and they might want to be employed by you. You can kill them. You can get animals. And it's just unreal. And when I show it off in the next few weeks, you'll understand. Now, this is what the game looks like normally. This is, if you download the version on here, this is what you'll get. So it's things like, it all looks like this. And this is to the point where the animals have individual sexes and stuff like that. You can train dogs that become war dogs and horses and make them tame, put them out of pasture. And it's just unreal. But this is what the game looks like. So you can see it looks a little bit, confusing. Can you see how that might be a little bit confusing? Once you understand, it's almost like looking at the Matrix. Like, on here, that will be a hill or mountain. They'll be like woodland. That's a river. It's just, and if you don't know what ASCII is, that's what it's using on here. This is ASCII. So anything you put in like this, that's ASCII. That becomes a code. And on this game, this is how it runs with all these things. So like a little D might be a duck. A big H might be a horse. Your dwarfs are little smiley faces. So they're the little ASCII character of smiley faces. And that's what they are. So when your little smiley face running around, I don't know if they're actually showing any smiley faces on here. Like the @ sign will be something. These will be something else. They're ramps. That's water. So you can see how it goes. There's a huge forum on here of thousands of mods. Like there's just mods after mod after mod after mod on here. There's so many. But after watching some videos, I think you want to be interested in this. This is the Meph, Meph Tileset. That turns the game from, well, if I go to, from this, in a way, to looking like this. With proper buildings, proper grasslands, water, lava, all them dwarfs, your items, your furniture, anything you can think of. They've re-sprited everything and give it like a proper look and made it look a little bit better. Now, just to point out, if you download this one here, at the top one, this also includes the game as well. So you don't have to download the game and then this, you can just download this. I'm going to jump into my file explorer. I've got the Dwarf 1 coming to here, and I've got Meph Launcher in there. I open that up, like so. It'll open up the Meph Tileset. I presume that's how it's Meph. It might be Meph. And you get this. And all you got to do is click Play Dwarf Fortress. But there is other things up here. Now, I don't know half of these what these things are, but this is what you're interested in, SoundSense. Now, the reason you want SoundSense is it changes all the things in the game, all the sound effects, to something like this. I hope you can hear that. So it puts music in. It puts like proper music in, proper sound effects, voices, so you know what's happening. Whereas the original game has some, but not as many as that. So what you do is download this. You download these two things on here, which is SoundSense and SoundPack. You then just zip them over into here. So you just copy and paste them into here. See SoundSense in there? Yep. And you save the packs, which is this bit. So the packs into packs in here. So can you see there? That's all it is. All I've done is put it in there. So packs goes into there. You run this Meph launcher. It opens up. You click SoundSense, and it will open SoundSense up. When you first run this, what it'll ask you to do is find the gamelog.txt and also unzip the files. Unzipping the files takes a while, like a very, very, very long time. The game log is in here, I believe. Yeah, there we go. So you just go into Dwarf Fortress game log, and that's how you find the game log on how to do it on here. So you just run it from there. And why that works is this program here looks for what's happening in the game log. So when you're playing the game, it's going, you have found something, you're digging, you're doing this person died, there's a elf, there's a whatever. And it looks in there and plays the corresponding sound. So it's really easy to do if you download this mod pack. And this mod pack allows you to do autosave pause when it saves, general world, so you can change the weather off if you want a bit of an easier run. You can do things like change your sound, you can change your graphics, which is font. The easiest, you can see the tile set there, so you can even put different tile sets in. Font, I found gem set was the easiest to read. And then coloured Dwarf Fortress was the thing that I found a bit easier on my eyes. There's loads of them. You could be there all day, but it shows you there. You can see on there everything. You can change all of these things. And these things are all different things as well. The Story Maker, Quick Fort, which is blueprints. I guess you can download blueprints from somewhere. So Legends, which is after exploring world data, browse the history, creatures. And this game will create a whole backstory to your world, which is going to be pretty much individual to you. You'll be at war with some people. You'll be not at war with other people. Next time you load it, you'll be at war with someone else. There'll be different animals. There'll be different dwarfs. All this. And now I'm still learning how to use this. So as I said, there's going to be a Let's Play coming up in the next few weeks. I'm just currently learning on my first Let's Play. I plan it on failing because it's going to fail. But I want to learn how to do a lot so I can do a better Let's Play. But if you want to get into this game, there's plenty of YouTubers out there who do tutorials. I would recommend, I think you pronounce his name Nookirum, Nookirum. I'll link him in the description. He's done just a tutorial now with no mods at all. So you can watch him play and learn how to do it. And as I said, all you do if you want to play it, just click download. It takes 2 seconds. It's not a big file. And it is a weird, scary game to get into, but it's so much fun once you're in it because you're really working on lots of different things and designing your fortress. But I just want to show that before I jump in and do a Let's Play. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That's how you download, get SoundSense and Tileset all in one. So as I said, all you need to do is if you go on the Tileset, download this thing up here. This includes Dwarf Fortress. Just unzip it to wherever you want to unzip it to. Download these 2 SoundSense, copy that in. And it tells you in here how to do it. It takes 2 seconds. You might have to install Java as well, just to bear in mind, but I'm not trying how to do that. It's quite easy. To be fair, when you click up here and click SoundSense, it does it all for you. So there's nothing to worry about. It'll say you haven't got Java. And yeah, it just shows you everything on here. There's how to do it. There's a Wikipedia on here as well, which shows you how to do it. So if I click on wiki page, 404 not found, the most famous of all errors. So the wiki page isn't working on there. But yeah, you can go in the official forums. I guess it's going to work. It shows you where you can watch a video of it. There's, say, still 404 not found. I think they really relink that. But as you can see, it hasn't any updates for 2010. This game is, I don't know roughly how old it is. I would guess about 10 years old, maybe a bit more than that now. But you can see here there's still, but this is it for improvements. It's not getting any more from now on. It's getting bug fixes. There you go, 2002. It was already done. 2006, and then it's been just going up there since then. And I hope you've enjoyed that little video, and thank you very much, and I'll catch you all later. Goodbye.